children have learned many three-letter words. They have learned many sight words too. So now they can read simple sentences, and we are encouraging them to write sentences too. Bob books are books which are helpful for children who begins to read and write. They have simple sentences with story. So let's encourage children to make their own Bob books. They can write simple sentences like this is a cat. They can draw simple picture of cat. And then they can color also. This is a mat. The cat is on the mat. So let them draw however they want. Then let's cut them. So let them color, let them write, and we help them cutting. Let's club the pages, and they can take some color paper to make it as a cover page. We can help them stapling. We can write the heading. The cat, or we can write children's name also, like John's own Bob book. If they want, they can paste some stickers to make it beautiful. So children will love such small booklets made by them. So now their own Bob book is ready. Instead of stapler, such kind of tape also can be used to bind the pages and make the book.